This is the Polished Business Podcast, where we discuss everything business, boss, and books. My name is Kimberly Beadle, and I am a registered BAS agent here in Australia, a certified bookkeeper, and I have a BA in psychology. And I am absolutely obsessed with supporting businesses and their success. I wonder if you can relate to this too. Do you have a wealth of experience and sometimes people just don't recognize it, don't see it, or they consider other options? That's pretty much every industry out there, right? There's always some sort of competition. There's always some sort of other option. And there's so much information readily available to everyone, everywhere, at any time. But I just want to commend you if you've got experience behind you, because we recognize that that really matters. For us, our experiences actually framed our purpose. So we started in 2014 as Polished Bookkeeping Pty Ltd, and we're very much advocating that we offered bookkeeping and BAS services. And then by 2018, we were like, well, we're really offering a lot of business advisory services too, and Polished Bookkeeping just wasn't capturing our purpose quite right. So we rebranded to Polished Business with bookkeeping, BAS, and business advisory still as our tagline, and then continued on for several years doing as we do. In 2026, we ended up launching our Polished Business platform. And that's because of that experience over a decade worth of assisting over 1,000 businesses. Yeah, 1,000 businesses. And I think a lot of you would probably be in these same shoes, where you sit there and you think back to your clients over the last however long, and you go, yeah, there's been a lot of commonalities. Of course, every client is different, every business is different, but there's a lot of similar questions that we've been asked. There's a lot of similar issues that have come up. There's a lot of similar circumstances that we've helped our clients through. So we determined how best can we help as many people as possible. Well, let's make an online platform. Let's curate content personally. I know AI is there, and I'm not saying there's no place for AI. Sometimes there's definitely purposes that AI is very useful. With Polished Business, we decided that every single piece of content that we're going to create, it's not going to just be a question we asked one of these AI platforms. It's going to be information, instruction, guidance, template, whatever it may be, based on this, and also based on this. We wanted to take our experience and use it. So we're not going to ask something else to do the work for us. That's just a personal preference. I know there's plenty of businesses out there where your business might actually heavily rely on AI, and hey, if that's your world, that's your world. But for our world, giving assistance with business, boss, and books, and being able to be personable and still very positive and patient and listening to what our clients are going through, make it relevant for them, whatever advice and guidance we're providing. Yeah, it's just going to come straight from us. So not only have we assisted over 1,000 businesses, but we've also assisted a wide variety of industries. And I have to say, we don't have a favorite. We enjoy that we can assist people from a wide range, and that's, from the tradies to the IT, to the big corporations, to the smaller businesses, to the kids taking over their parents' businesses. We've had a lot of those. To the brand new businesses, the people starting off for the first time, whether they're 18 years old or 55 or any other age, and deciding, hey, I'm going to start off my own business. Rock on, we're there for it. You get to be part of that story, to see your journey. And I think there's a lot of other businesses out there that I think can relate to this. Yeah? Are you in a business or an industry where you know your experience is the difference that you bring to the table? If you are, I really suggest that you talk about it. Talk about it on your socials. Talk about it with your clients. Talk about it with your prospective clients, your suppliers, because they're often people that connect you to more clients, aren't they? And, be proud. Well done. For those who are just starting off in business and maybe you don't have the experience yet, that's okay. Just keep track. Have a look at what you do as you do it. Have a look at your clients, the questions, the needs that come up for them. I bet you will see trends. I would bet if you start early in just paying attention to what they are asking for, what you are providing that's getting the most positive feedback, you can take that information and run with it. And you can expand your business so much faster than those just plodding along, ignoring what their clients actually are responding to. So gain that experience if you don't have it. And if you have it, well done. Talk about it. Be proud. We are. Thank you for listening to another episode of the Polished Business Podcast. Check out all our episodes for valuable information for the business boss in books. To apply to be a guest or stay connected, follow Polished Business on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, and YouTube. Don't forget to join the Polished Business platform for free support or one of our paid tiers. All the best in your business journey.